Hello, I'm Tobias Petowski. I'm working for OEHLBACH Cable. It's an audio box company. So today I'd like to show you some of our new products. For example, our new OEHLBACH power sockets. These are very high quality power sockets. As you can see, this is very good surface, high glossy surface with the gold plated contacts. And the USB charger option, there you can charge devices like your iPhone or your Android systems or something like that. So here's another one. It's a more quality power socket with an aluminium surface and a very heavy duty version. So really high-end stuff. Yeah, also the USB charger. And of course, if you want to have more information from our company, you can visit our website. It's www.oehlbach.com. Thanks.